Alright, I want to show you some basics on doing this particular image that we have here. So the first thing is we want to make the opacity lower. Usually I like it in the 50s, something like that. And we're going to lock this in place so it doesn't move. And then what we're going to do here is we're going to zoom in. And we're going to be using the curvature tool to create different parts. So what we're going to do here is we're going to focus right now on the face, and so I'm going to start over here. I'm going to go around. I'm going to go around to the ear as well. This one doesn't have to be all the way around the ear, but something like that. Okay, so now that we have that, that would be considered the face part. And also what we want to do is we want to add the neck area down here. So we're gonna start out right about maybe here. Down. And then we're going to go outside a little bit. So now that we have that, we're going to select this whole area here. We're going to go to our shape builder tool, eliminate, holding down the Alt key. We're going to eliminate some of those extra lines that you see there. Okay, so now we have the beginning parts of the head. Now the next part that I want to do is the hair. I do want to talk about the layers section. So we're going to, this would be called the face. So I'm going to just double click on it and type in face. And now we're going to click on a new layer because we're going to do another section. This one's going to be called the hair section. So I'm just going to name it hair. And make sure that you have the hair layer selected. Okay, so that's going to give me a different color. In this case, it's going to be red. So we're going to select the curvature tool once more. Make sure that there is no fill. There is a color there. So for the hair, we can start out, we're going to lock actually the face. We're going to lock that in place so we can't select those lines. And we're going to pretty much do some similar lines and go around the whole hair area. So we're going to go like this. Here it almost ends, but it doesn't. It keeps going down. We're going to double click. We're going to go back up. We're going to continue to go up. basically we have to create a whole circle all the way around. So we're basically tracing over the same line we did before. Path like that. Double click. Now that we went all the way around, what we're going to do next is we're going to color the hair. So make sure you are on the hair layer, and we're going to select everything here, and then we're going to go to the live paint bucket tool, and we're going to select dark brown hair, and then we're going to color this part. We're going to color this part, and if we zoom out, we will see that now the hair is all colored. So that's how you would color your hair. Now eventually what you're going to be doing is you're going to be coloring the face, right, with the neck as well. You're also going to be coloring the clothes here with the curvature tool, first going around and outlining it, and then obviously you're going to be using the curvature tool, you're going to be creating the eyes, the eyebrows, the eyelashes, the nose, the mouth, and you're going to have to be creating a layer for each one of those areas, whether it's the eyes, the eyebrows, the nose. So let's say, for example, we wanted to do the nose. We would double click here, we would type in nose, and then we would go to our curvature tool, and we would start creating line as you see here. Now make sure that this should be off. Mine wasn't. So now we can go ahead and continue with creating the nose. Like so. And then we would have the nose section. Once we click here, you can see the outline of the nose. And then eventually we're going to continue working until it starts looking like this, right? If we zoom in here, we'll notice that we have the hair, we have the eyebrows, the eyes, as you can see the reflection there in the eyes. Look at all the layers that I had to create here, right? One for the clothes. Now the face, here it says slice face. What I did is I used this tool right here, the knife tool, to create a lighter shade and a darker shade for the face, because this is a brighter section since there is light coming out of this section. So the left side here would be lighter and this would be darker. And then as you can see here, I did the clothes a light yellow, and then everything else looks like the image. So what we're trying to create is the image that we see here, right? As you can see here, the details, once you zoom in, we've done that with this image here. Now obviously I use skin tones for that. As far as the skin color, the dark brown, I got it from here. And the skin tones, if we click on the F5 key, swatches, you would go right here to skin tones and find the actual skin tones that you're looking for. I used these two right here to create these colors, which I think are the closest to her skin tone. And that's how you would create this shape. As far as the hair, the face, everything including in the face, as well as the clothes, making sure that you have all of these different layers to help you design each body part that you see there.